Exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
We are tracking a few shower thunderstorms beginning to pop up along the I-49 corridor, which will push further northward towards Shreveport and other areas in the Arklatex, which is already getting some showers of thunderstorms. We're not tracking anything within the immediate arc limits now. However, as we kind of get close towards lunchtime and heading into the afternoon, these storms will start to roll through. Here's looking at Doppler radar at 8:39 this morning. We've already had some starting to enter near Shreveport and Natchitoches and the western sections of Bienville Parish, but as far as Wynne and Grant Parish is concerned, they still have yet to get anything. We got plenty of heavy cloud cover though. Looking at the Tower Place tower camera in Monroe, you can see the cloud cover in the background. It did help keep temperatures trending a little bit warmer, mostly mid-lower 60s. We're at 67 degrees now at the Monroe Airport. The winds are still calm. Dew points are still holding out in the mid-50s. Our outdoor forecast will remain cloudy, but by lunchtime into the afternoon, that's when we'll start to see those storms begin to pop up as daytime highs will push into the mid-upper 70s. We have a mid-level disturbance, which is kind of coming out of southeast Texas now, and as it tracks further north, it will continue that shower thunderstorm coverage that we're going to see as we go into the evening hours. Now, due to the sheared environment and some instability, there's a chance we could see a few strong thunderstorms, especially along I-49. Here's a look at temperatures area-wide, mid-60s, Monticello, El Dorado both at 64, as well as Ruston. Shreveport has now already warmed to near 70. Now, the dew points have been in the 50s. That dry air, it has been winning out for the past day or so, but as we kind of head into this evening and overnight, these dew points are expected to be climbing into the mid-60s, and this will kind of help set the stage for the severe weather we're expecting early next week. The winds have been mostly calm, but you notice they're starting to pick up a little bit already between Ruston and Natchitoches and along I-49, and that warm moist air just kind of keeps funneling in. So later on this afternoon, there's that chance, like I said, to see a few strong thunderstorms, might see some high winds, maybe even a brief tornado, but again, that threat is still limited. Moderate risk for severe weather exists from Natchitoches to Alexandria and can stretch as far north as Winfield, Columbia, or even near Gina. And then when the cold front arrives next Sunday, that's going to be really our greatest chance to see some severe weather, as level 3 enhanced risk has been drawn out across Arkansas with a slight for the rest of the arc limits. Along that frontal boundary, there's that chance high winds, hail, and even a few tornadoes. So it's still 3 days out. This is still subject to change, but as of now, you can see where areas are mostly the greatest under threat, and this is still going to remain a bit unsettled even as we go into next week. We'll get a brief break on Monday and Tuesday, and then more chance for shower thunderstorms through next Wednesday and Thursday. So finishing out this afternoon, keep the umbrella and rain jacket handy. We'll continue with storm coverage as we kind of go overnight into early tomorrow. As far as any severe storms, it's mainly afternoon into the early evening hours, and again mainly along the I-49 corridor. As we go into Saturday morning, these storms are still going to linger a little bit, and we might see some brief clearing, maybe a little bit of sunshine before it sets. Later on Saturday, kind of a dreary start for the weekend, and we can still see more severe weather as we kick off next Sunday, and looking to see probably up to 1.5 inches, possibly even near 2 inches as the weekend ends by next Sunday. So a very active pattern kind of as we close out the final days of March. So tonight, low around 65, the storms linger. Tomorrow, our temperatures will be in the mid-upper 70s with morning showers, and then by Monday next week, we get that brief clearing, temperatures fall back to mid-70s, and then we return back to the 80s with more rain thunderstorms Wednesday through Thursday.